Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In our previous tutorial, we discussed EPS, Enterprise Project Structure. Now we will create a new project. For this, go to Enterprise and Projects. And press Add. So we will select our EPS dairy farm and we are creating project under this EPS. So the EPS will be dairy farm, and after that we will press next, and our project ID will be DF and P and 1, dairy farm project 1, and project name will be After that we will press next, and we will enter the dates that when the project will start and when it will be finished. So for example, we have a criteria of 6 months to complete this project. So it will start on 22 June and it will be finished on June, July, August, September, October and November, and 22nd of November. So I will select the, now we have entered project start date and finish date. Next, and the manager for this project will be project director, and he will be responsible for all the activities and planning and management. So I will press next, and assignment rate, it means that what will be the rates of our resources including staff and material. So we will select standard rate. After that we will press next, and now it is showing that congratulations, your new project has been created. To modify your project properties and define properties not covered by this wizard, click on the enterprise menu and then click project. It means that our project is created, and if you want to add some additional details, you can go to enterprise menu and click project and modify your information. So we will press finish. Here are some other details of our project in general, and first is project ID, then project name and status. Still it is not active, and it is a planned project that we will start our project from 22nd of June. So we will assign its status planned and a responsible manager, and if we have a website related to our project, so we will enter that URL. This was our tutorial related to the creation of project. Thanks for watching. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can receive notification related to our incoming videos.